for the month of January. It retails for $10 a month. It's a monthly subscription. Each month they send you a flyer with the costs of the retail products. It says, "Hello 2019 from Birchbox newbies. Hi to longtime friends. Here's a refresher on how to make the most out of your boxes." It says to update your beauty profile, pick a sample, get 10% back in points, and review your samples. Plus get $5 in free points for the first 5 reviews. So let's just go ahead and get started. The very first thing in here is by Modell Co. It's a baked highlighter in the shade Moonshine. The retail value is $25 for the full size. It says, get that warm glow you crave when you sweep the sheer highlighter onto the high points of your face. Try also applying it to your eyelids for a natural radiant eyeshadow look. So it comes in this really super tiny cute compact, if I can get it out. There it is there. There's the shade Moonshine. And it's kind of like a bunch of different colors, but it's a baked highlighter. I'd say it's kind of gold, peachy looking. I've got so much highlighter on already. Ooh, but that does have a glow. Wow. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please check my previous video. It's using less than $100 in affordable products. Overall, I'm not very happy with it. I did use the LA colors on the top of my eyelid, and I wasn't very impressed. The colors are very powdery. Look at that glow. Wow. And I actually forgot to take off my bake. How embarrassing. I did my whole video like that. Oh well. So that's it for the Modell Co highlighter. It's very nice. I actually like it a lot. This cute little tiny sample size. I'd say it's about a little bit bigger than a quarter. So let's go into the next product here. It's by Black. It's a peel-off mask. Full size retails for $29. It says, avoid your hairline and brows. Apply an even layer of this mask to your T-zone after cleansing. Wait 15 to 20 minutes and slowly peel off to reveal fresh and revived skin. The next thing I see in here is by Design Me. It says Fab Me hair treatment. The full size retails for $24.50. Mist this treatment from your roots to the ends before styling for hair that's heat protected, smoothed, and strengthened, making it more youthful long term. Oh, so that's awesome. So it's got a little spray bottle on there, and it is 5 mLs or 0.17 fluid ounces. So that's a really tiny sample. The next thing is by Eero. It says Revitalize Under Eye Brightening Serum, medium deep. Full size retails for $18. Consider this skincare meets makeup pen your morning savior. Made with ginseng and caffeine, the serum depuffs, smooths, and provides light coverage to brighten your under eyes. Okay, so I think it's actually sealed up, but it sounds like it's a concealer. Yep, it looks just like a concealer. It's pretty orange. It smells like MAC. So that's pretty cool. And the very last thing in here is Nourishing Mascara by Butanique Beauty. Nourishing Mascara. Full size retails for $19.90. Thicken, lengthen, plus strengthen lashes with each coat of this vitamin E, camellia, and almond oil for formula. The oversized brush makes sure to grab each lash from root to tip. So that's it for my Birchbox. I'm actually going to get one more next month, and I asked them to cancel. I'm overall not very happy with the products. I would like to receive more makeup, and they do include a lot of skincare and hair products as well. But I will be having other subscription boxes coming in soon. I do have two more to do here after this, but please feel free to check out my giveaway in the description box below in my Kat Von D look. I'm waiting until I hit 250 subscribers, and we're about 28 more away. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I will actually be attending James Cox's I Am a Creator-thon 1 year party, I guess you can say. So if any of you out there are looking to grow your channels, please look up James Cox and check out his YouTube channel as well. He's helped me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Shout out, and I hope to see you in the next one.